sinta. Ano bang meron sa iyo? Pag nakikita ka na, bumabagal ang mundo. Pag ngumiti ka, para bang may iba. Pag tumitingin sa'kin, mapupungay mong mga mata. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Halika nga, tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
The love between husband and wife is not enough because there should be another love. At yan ang tinanggap ninyo 10 years ago nang ipinagkaloob sa inyo ang bendisyon upang kayo ay makikisa habang buhay. Pero dapat mas lalo ding tumatag ang inyong pananampalataya sa Panginoon dahil yon ang pinaka-summit, apex of marriage, yung tinatawag nating renewal. Kaya very good. Dapat painggrande ng painggrande ang kasal.
Nakagawa sa'kin ng ganito, kundi ka. Nag-iisang Diyos ang buhay ko. Huwag ka nang matakot, huwag kang mangamba. Andito ako pag ika'y mag-isa. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mo ganda. Halika nga, tingnan.
Sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya noong tinitipan kitang maging aking may bahay. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at kailanman.
Kita basta pag nahulog, nagkahawak ako. Huwag ka lang bibitaw habang buhay na ako.
Kaya kayo nag-celebrate ngayon ng 10 years anniversary, aside from God gave you a gift, no? Kayo'y makapagpatuloy na makapag-renew hanggang silver, hanggang golden, at kung papalarin hanggang platinum. You may now kiss your wife.
Ko hanggang sa ating pagtanda, mamahalin kita basta pag nahulog.
Alfredo, sa harap ng Diyos
sa harap ng Diyos
Huwag ka lang
at ng kanyang
bibitaw.
sambayanan,
sinasariwa ko
sinasariwa
ang
ko
aking
ang
pasya
aking pasya
tinitipan kita
noong tinitipan kita
maging aking asawa
maging aking asawa
sa hirap at ginhawa
sa hirap at ginhawa,
sa dusa at ligaya
sa dusa at ligaya.
ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin
Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin
at itatanging karugtong
at itatanging karugtong
ng buhay
ng buhay
ngayon at kailanman.
ngayon at kailanman.
It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us. Writing stories that shape us. It's a good time to find a little magic in the moonlight. All that we can discover in this sky full of wonder. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born, born, born for adventure. Born for adventure. Take a look now, we got everything we need to make our way out. We could follow the ocean, yeah, we could live in the moment.
I promise to be forever faithful, to be forever understanding. I know we have our ups and downs. We have some challenges. We have some shortcomings. But at the end of the day, tayo pa din.
Adventure, made to run free. Days will see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born, born, born for adventure. Born for adventure. It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase.
I'll do my best, whatever I can, to be the best of the person I can be, for the rest of our lives.
For Isa's future and for our future honey, I'll always be here for us.
He's ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run.